What's up, guys? It's 10 a.m. right now. The first morning that doesn't rain, so it's amazing. I will work because I'm way behind my stuff. So I need to do it. New haircut, so it's fine. Yesterday was amazing. Tonight we met some nice people from England and where I think I was from. Oh, Germany. They're amazing. So yeah, right now I'm going to work at the coffee beach, the coffee from yesterday. Alright, see ya guys. Alright. Yeah, I just got a massage, full body massage with oil. That's amazing. That's amazing. I need that sometime. Like, I was missing that. So yeah, right now hitting something, guys. What about today? I unproductive at all because I was trying to work, but yeah, no, I was productive at the morning. But then I don't know, like the rain and all those things was captivate me. So yeah, I hope it's gonna be fine tomorrow. I hope we'll work. And then on Friday we're flying to Bangkok. Yeah, back to the whole origins. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet. So yeah, let's go hit something, guys.